Hello everyone. So today we will talk about this problem. Okay, it is contain duplicate. So let us read the description what it says. So given an integer nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in an array, return false if the every element is distinct. Example is 1 2 3 1. It is true because every element because there is a contain a duplicate which is nothing but 1. And 1 2 3 4 does not contain any duplicates, that's why it returning false. Okay, another example is this one. If clearly we have so many duplicates here, so it is just returning true. So that is a simple question. Now let us try to understand the approach that we are going to be using to solve this problem, and then we will be writing the code for that as well. So let us try to write the code, or let us try to understand the approach. So for example, we have these values 1 2 3 which are given in nums. Okay, now what we are going to be doing, we are going to be using the hash set in this case. Okay, and how we are going to be hash set is, we are going to be creating a hash set for integers, and suppose this is the hash set. Okay, now what we'll be doing, we'll be just iterating from here. Okay, we'll be looking into this. Okay, one value, if this value is not there in this one, okay, if it is not there in the hash set, then we'll simply add it. So one has been put into the hash set which is unique. Now hash set always contain the unique elements only. So, and then we have 2. Okay, we have it reached here, and this 2 has not been we'll search for this in hash set. Hash set doesn't contains this 2. So we are again going to be adding this. And what is the lookup time that we get in hash set? It is order of 1. So we will be for checking the value in hash set is very easy and very fast. Okay, so 2 is not there, so we'll just put it there. Then again 3 is also not there, then put the hash set. Then for the 1, we'll see that hash set is already having the 1 element. So in that case we'll just return true from this, which shows that it has duplicates. Okay, and if it is not having duplicates, then we simply return false at the very end of the program. Okay, so that is the approach that we are going to be using. So the main thing is that we are going to be using hash set only, and the space complexity for this is order of n, or minimum, if suppose it will be less than order of n only, because in the worst case it will be order of n, because we'll be tend to get all the values stored in our hash set. So this is order of n time space complexity, and the time complexity is order of n as well. Okay, so this is the space and time complexity. Let us try to write the code for this one. Now let us try to write the code for this. The simple thing is that first we are going to be doing is creating a hash set to store integer. We can call that as table, and that is nothing but new hash set. Okay, hash set we have created. Now we simply need to for loop in our nums of array. So we'll be using for int x in our nums. Okay, what we'll be searching, we'll be searching that if our hash set, which is nothing but table, if table dot contains our x, if it already contains x, then we'll simply return true from our function. Okay, in else condition which will not contain the x in our table, so in that case we'll just add this. So table dot add our x value. Okay, and if it is not written from here, we will simply return false from the very end of this program. Okay, so that is the simple code. Now let us try to submit the code here. So it is showing the spelling error here. Hash set should be. Again try to run the code. Yeah, it is working fine. Now let us try to submit the code for this one and see the solution. So it has been perfectly working. So that's it for this problem. Okay, the main thing was hash set in this, using the hash set. You can use other ways also, for example sorting and that one, but that will take more complexity, that is n log n. Okay, that is more than this. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in the next video under such problems.